Script how to add credit card as payment method on Shopify. Discover how to easily add a credit card as a payment method on Shopify with this comprehensive guide. Accessing Shopify dashboard. Log in to your Shopify dashboard using your credentials. Navigating to settings at the bottom left corner of the screen, click on Settings to open a pop-up window. Accessing payment settings within the pop-up window, select payments from the options provided in the left sidebar. Enabling payment methods. To enable payment methods for your customers, click on Add Payment Method in the Supported Payment Methods section. Adding credit card payments. Choose credit card as the payment method type. Depending on your country, select the available provider for credit card payments, such as Skrill or others. Setting up selected provider. If selecting a provider like Skrill, create an account, fill in the required details, and connect your account to Shopify. Alternative payment methods. Explore other payment options like Ocean Payment by signing up, installing the app from the Shopify App Store, and connecting it to your store. By following these steps, you can seamlessly add credit card payments as a payment method on your Shopify store.